guys, we are here at the Walmart parking lot in Connecticut. We are doing some maintenance on Ruth. I put a pull out and you guys wanted to see some updated maintenance yearly or when your car has been sitting for a couple months, what to do and what to check. So we got a couple tools with us and we're gonna go into Walmart after this, but we have an antifreeze and cooler tester, and then we have a brake fluid tester, and then we have some wipes for when it gets messy. So we're gonna go take a look under the hood. We're gonna take a look at our battery terminals. I actually just replaced the battery and just redid the terminals because I was having a problem with that, so those are already done. And then we're gonna take a look at the brake fluids and the oil, see if it's burnt or I need an oil check or redo. So let's come over here. So my car actually doesn't really say when I need an oil check, so this is really good. To always check I check every 5 to 6 months just in case. So that looks pretty good. It doesn't look too black. And it doesn't smell burnt at all. So an oil change or check is not in the near future for me. Next, we're going to take a look at our brake fluid. So we have this really cool little tester. I actually first used this tester on Repair to Rev, the show. But it is really cool. It tells you the different levels. It starts out on green. Filter. Put it down. And so ours is good. So our brake fluid is good. It's okay. And it tells you all the different levels. So on Repair to Rev, we had a 4 in the red, which was really, really bad. We don't want that. And that's when you need to get your brake fluid changed. So ours is good. We have green to yellow, so it's less than 1% of water in the brake fluid, which is really, really good. Next, we're gonna take a look at the coolant and antifreeze. We just turned the car off, so we're not gonna do that. That is really dangerous. Do not do that. But we had Peak Performance comment when we were doing the poll that they just came out with their new Eco-Sheild, which is really, really cool. So we're gonna go take a look at it. It's at Walmart. We're gonna go purchase it and see how it works. Fun fact about it is they were explaining that it's more eco-friendly. It's made with reusable materials, and as we all know, those kind of products can be really dangerous for kids and animals because they're sweet but potent. And they said the word safety is not used, but it is okay for an animal or a kid to get it on their finger and on their face and that kind of stuff. It's not going to kill them, which is absolutely amazing and remarkable. So we're gonna go take a look at it now. We're gonna look. Ooh, do we need a funnel? I don't think we need a funnel. Okay, maybe down here. Bug remover. Wheel wiper fluids. Oh, okay, Peak. Oh, okay, Eco-Sheild. Oh, wow. Okay, let's read off some of this. Guaranteed protection, premium engine protection, better for the environment, 50/50 antifreeze plus coolant, ready to use. That's really cool. Oh, so it's gas, diesel, electric, and hybrid, which is nice. All makes, all models, all coolant colors, all coolant technologies. This looks really good. Ingredients, plant-based. Glycol, water. Oh, wow. So, yeah. So, it's pretty much all plant-based, and it's reused resources, which is really cool. Like, obviously, disposal of this, there's certain laws and everything, but better for the environment. The manufacturing of bio-based glucose results in lower carbon footprint compared to other based, and also reduces dependence on other materials. Okay, awesome. So it's $10. Pretty cheap. All right. I kind of want to go shopping for other things. Brake fluids, no. Lasting fast leather, no. Batteries, already got it. Cleaning product, all right, let's go. Okay, so the car is finally cooled down, so we are going to check we got some buildup, but why did it do that? Hold on. It's not very good of me. Oh wow, that's actually a lot. Okay. So, yeah. In Connecticut, nothing's gonna reach negative 45 degrees. So we are perfectly fine. This is really funny. Okay. But we were looking over at the overfill tank over here, and it's below minimum. So we're gonna use our Eco-Sheild. So this is the one thing I really needed. It fell. So, I have the song stuck in my head. Okay, so like I said when I was telling you guys, I'm going to keep reiterating it because it's kind of amazing that they've created a renewable, plant-based, coolant almost, that is not safe for animals or children, but is okay. So that's why we can do it here, and if a little squirrel comes and licks it up, he's gonna be fine. Can I have cameraman hold that, please? Thank you. Okay. We should have gotten a little tube for this. And like they were saying, it's good with all coolant colors, all car types, everything, which is pretty cool. All right, that's just halfway between the max and min. We can get a little shot of that. But yeah, I'm really happy with this product. I'm gonna see how Ruth goes. I'll give you guys a little bit of an update. But this is definitely a great product, and I think it's kind of the first of what I've heard of. So that's really, really cool. So I'm gonna drive Ruth for another hour and 30 minutes back to Grandma's house. I will update you guys when I get there. Update, Ruth ran perfectly. It was a 2-hour drive with traffic. There was no problems whatsoever. So I'm just gonna go over the products that we used again. So this is our coolant and antifreeze tester. So it tells you how much degrees you can go to, of how cold it can be. We used these crocodile wipes. The Napa guy actually suggested these to me, and they are pretty good. I think they're gonna be the wipes that I start to use more often. They were super big. They're super durable and stretchy too. Look how big that is. And they cleaned everything up really, really well. So I'm happy with those. We used the brake fluid tester. It's a little tester pen, and obviously the Eco-Sheild Peak Performance coolant. So everything went really, really well. I would suggest doing this for your car at least once every year, checking up on everything to make sure it all is good. And then if your car is sitting for more than a month or two, definitely just checking everything, especially even an older car, checking everything 5 to 6 months is also a really good idea. So I hope this kind of helped. We're going to do a couple more videos to come. I'm coming back home to Florida, so I'm super excited to start working on the fern lane and everything. So yeah, very excited. See you guys in the next one.